Adam here from the Walser Automotive Group, and today what I want to do is show you around some of these really cool Subaru accessories. Now at Walser Subaru and Walser Subaru St. Paul, you can actually purchase these Thule products from us. So what I want to do today is show you how to open the roof tent, some of the other accessories that go with it, and then how to close it all back down and hit the road. So one of our first cool accessories is this tire step, which is actually super easy to use. So you're just gonna put the little strap here over the back of the tire, kind of shimmy it down, and then that will sit so the rubber is on the rubber of the tire, and you can use this to kind of work on the tent up above. So the first step for the roof tent here is going to be removing this cover. Now you're going to want to have this on no matter when you're driving around. It will keep dirt, debris, and it just makes sure it's not getting all the wind inside the tent when you're driving. So you can kind of peel this little layer back here and you'll see the zipper. So it's got this nice little extension on it. So let's begin by just unzipping the tent. All right, now you're gonna peel this back, and then usually you can just kind of leave this in the vehicle, making sure you have it with you. So the next step now is gonna be unclipping the ladder. So there is kind of one of those little backpack clips up there. So you can use the step, or there is inside the second row of the Subaru, a little step you can use here. So we'll hop up. Then we're gonna unclip that, and now you're gonna pull the ladder all the way out. So let's go ahead, we'll close the door. And you're gonna wanna make sure, give it a good pull, make sure it's all the way out. Now you can tip the tent up and then start pulling towards you. So you'll see, just come down slowly. Now the next point is gonna be folding the ladder. So usually I find it's easiest to get kind of as many bars as you can up towards the top. So you can begin by kind of pushing these little buttons. That's gonna start folding those in. And then once you get to a certain point, you're gonna wanna try and make sure it's level and as flat here as you can possibly get it. So now one other thing you can add would be this Thule Awning. So it pulls out, gives you a nice little place to stay out of the sun when you're out on the campsite. But for now, let's fold up the tent. We'll start by kind of making sure we have the legs pulled all the way out like this, and then you're just gonna kind of push so it starts folding. And then just slowly kind of walk it forwards, and then kind of keep the balance back a little bit because you don't want it to really slam down too hard. And then you'll see there's two red tabs here. You can just press those and then just fold the legs all the way in. Now we'll jump up in the door again here, and then we'll just re-clip our little clip on top here to make sure the legs aren't going anywhere. Then once we have that done, you would just return the cover back onto the vehicle. So there is a little tab and a zipper here, so you'll be able to see exactly where to start with the cover. We'll remove our step, and then we're pretty much ready to head home.